Jam, okay na close na namin yung clients namin. How do you make sure na talagang tatagal yung client sa amin, hindi kami iwanan right away? Aba, kung pakikinggan mo tong video na to hanggang dulo, malalaman mo. Kaya go na, panoorin mo to. Let's go! Hey guys, it's Sham, the founder of Buhay Virtual Assistant and Barangay VA Community, which aims to help aspiring Filipino VAs land their first client online. If you're not part of the community yet, go ahead and join by clicking the link in the description box. Let's go! At kung hindi ka pa nakakapag-subscribe dito at nakailang nood ka na dito at nag-add value to sa inyo, ba't hindi ka pa nagsubscribe? Ano te? Ikaw lang mag-benefit. Subscribe lang eh. Subscribe na now. Char! Thank you po! Salamat! Anyway guys, for today's video, pag-usapan natin kung paano nga ba natin ma-achieve ang long-term clients. Okay? Paano sila alagaan? All those stuff. Let's go. Number 1 is basic. Be valuable. Hanggat valuable ka, pag sabing valuable, ano ba Tagalog ng valuable? Basta't may ambag ka always, may impact ka always sa kliyente mo at alam nilang kakailanganin kanya forever in a way na hindi niya kayang mag-function nang wala ka. Trust me, okay, tatagal ka o tatagal yung clients sa'yo. Okay? Pero kung nag-close ka lang ng client, tapos incompetent ka pala, wala kang dating, malamang in a few, tatanggalin ka din niya. So, be valuable. Very, very important yan mga mi. Kaya very important mga mi is to deliver your promise, is to be a problem solver at all times, and to improve on your services. So, non-stop learning talaga mga mi and non-stop improving. Kasi kung hindi ka na valuable, irrelevant ka na. Kung irrelevant ka na, added cost ka na lang sa buhay niya at tatanggalin ka rin niya eventually. Dapat asset ka, hindi ka expense. Ganon. Number 2, guys, is relationship. Make sure that your relationship with your client is positive. Mga mi, dapat pang malakasan ito. Okay? Dapat ito yung bagay na, alam mo yun, yung jive kayo, alam mo yun, yung sobrang, yung personalities ka na match, okay? Alam mo yun, yung kaya nyong i-carry each other throughout your journey sa business. Yung nandun kayo for each other, very important yun. Yung relationship nyo, no? Nung client nyo, yung synergy nyo nung client mo. Kaya ikaw, dapat hindi ka sensitibo pag ginibigyan ka ng feedback. Next is dapat, alam mo yon, wala kang attitude problem. Kasi oras na ma-sense sa'yo, si client na attitude problem, ay aalisan ka niyan, mga mino. So, very important guys na personalities yung nagmamatch relationship nyo as co-partners ay positive talaga, may synergy. So, talagang may vibe check ito mi. Kaya nga, yung mga clients hindi lang niya kinukuha based on skills based on vibe too. So, dapat magkasundo kayo always. Number 3 is to pre-qualify. Okay? Pre-qualify your clients. Huwag ka lang basta-basta tanggap ng clients pag may opportunity. Lalo na kung ang clients mo ay startup at wala pang masyadong budget. Guys, pag ito yung mga normally mga clients na very, very eager to grow right away, yung kanilang patience ay very short, no? Na pag gusto nila mag-ROI right away, na pag hindi nila nakita in 2, 3, 4 months, agad-agad, then they will let go of you. No? So, pre-qualify your clients. Make sure, number 1, may budget sila for you talaga. Number 2 is very important ay talagang alam mo na long-term client siya. Usually, they're vocal about it naman. Kasi I realize na kapag ang clients natin ay, you know, from other countries and may kontrata tayo that says na parang dapat minimum of this month, ganyan-ganyan. If you wanna cancel, it doesn't really matter na. Parang wala siyang impact Wala siyang, it's nothing. Yung kontrata natin to our client is nothing. No, so importante na long term, may budget, no? So very important na you pre-qualify your clients, get to know their business and all, like their objectives, their goals. Very important, alam mo to, para alam mo rin kung paano i-position sarili mo. Now, if you think no, na hindi siya qualified for you, then you do not accept them as your clients. Ganun siya, guys. Okay? So, aim for long-term client, guys, by pre-qualifying at the same time. Number 4 is positive work culture. Very important, not just for the client, but for yourself at the same time. Kaya nga, very important yung discovery call. That's when you set grounds talaga. Connected to sub number 3 kanina. You make sure that it's a positive work culture. Okay? Very, very important yan. Or else, toxic ang inyong work culture, which we don't like. Okay? You set your terms ahead and you entertain their terms too, and you meet halfway. Okay? Para ang work culture nyo, yung everyday work life nyo, ay very positive. Okay? Kasi syempre pag na-toxican sa'yo si client, aalis yan. Or pag na-toxican ka sa client, ikaw mag-give up ka din, aalis ka din. So, very important talaga yung discovery call and you set a positive work culture. Because culture is everything. Because most of the time, siya yung kasama mo, siya yung katrabaho mo. It's important na nasa isang work environment na very comfortable ka, na very pumped up ka to come in and deliver on a daily basis. And lastly, number 5, guys, is strong communication. Very important in all ways, in all situations that you communicate clearly and politely with your client. Okay? If there's something that happened to you na you think hindi mo kayang gawin at this point, let them know why. If there's something na sa tingin mo ayaw mong pinapagawa sa ni client kasi hindi tama and based on your expertise, ito dapat ang gawin mo, then you tell your client. Communicate it to your client politely and tell them why. Communication is very important. Client relationship is just like any other relationship. Communication is very, very important, mga mi. Okay, lahat i-relay mo sa kanya, endorsements and everything, para on the same page kayo every single day. Okay, it's a two-way thing. Hindi siya lang, hindi ikaw lang. Kailangan pareho kayo. Okay, may mga kliyente na parang halos hindi mo na maramdaman for 2 weeks, tekabahan ka na. Kailangan lagi kayong nagko-communicate back and forth. Basta well communicated lahat, manage always ang expectation ni client, then wala tayong magiging problema dito. Guys, of course, what we want is a long-term client para ang ating life, no? Ang ating freelance journey or career is very stable at the same time. Kasi yun nga yung nakatakutan namin eh. Next month ba or next week may kliyente pa rin ba kami? Siya pa rin ba kliyente ko? 'Di ba? Yun yung nakakatakot sa amin as freelancers or virtual assistants. Kaya very important na matutunan nyo lahat ito. Okay? Again, closing is one thing, but having a long-term client is another problem that you need to solve. But once you crack the code, guys, my gosh, talagang bongga ka na. It's always a trial and error along the way. So, kailangan, alam yun, marunong kang bumangon sa bawat, hiccups na mararanasan mo along the way. No? Babangon ka't babangon hanggang makuha mo na si Mr. Right. Mr. Right or si Mr. Right client. Ganon. Well, I hope this video helps you. Maraming salamat sa panonood. Once again, comment below your learnings. And of course, mga mi, subscribe. Kanina ko pa sinasabi sa iyo eh. No? Subscribe. Mag-subscribe ka at hit that notification bell para updated ka sa bawat uploads ko, mga mi. Okay? Thank you guys and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye!